Jump, come on. Monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, very good. Come on, jump. Luca, jump. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, very good. Let's go on jumping. Luca, Ruben and Christian. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
no more monkeys. Very good. Go on jumping. Come on. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor
Hector?
said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Very good. Luca, you're the last one. Come on, jump. One little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head.
Mama called the doctor and the doctor
Hector?
said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Very good.